In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize refunds in QuickBooks. If you're using QuickBooks for your business finances, understanding how to properly categorize refunds is essential for maintaining accurate accounts. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you want to log into QuickBooks online. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page, and from there, choose QuickBooks Online to proceed. Once you've selected that, it's time to enter your login credentials. Don't worry if you don't have them memorized. Having them saved in a password manager can save you a lot of time. Type in your username and password, then hit continue. Once you're in your QuickBooks dashboard, the next step is to navigate to Transactions. You'll find this option in the menu, and clicking on it will direct you to your banking page. This section holds all your bank transactions, essential for sorting through your business finances. Now that you are on the bank transactions page, scan through your list of transactions to find the refund you need to categorize. When you spot it, give it a click. QuickBooks will open up more details about that specific transaction. With the transaction details up, you're ready to categorize it. Look for the Categorize button and click on it. QuickBooks will now allow you to choose the appropriate account for this refund. Selecting the right account is crucial, as it ensures that your accounting reports reflect the correct financial state of your business. When choosing the account, think about what kind of refund this is. Does it relate to a product return? Perhaps it's a service that was cancelled. Categorizing it under the correct account type will keep your financial data organized and accurate. It's a good practice to review your account selection to avoid misclassification, which can lead to inaccuracies in your financial reporting. Once you have selected the appropriate account, move on to the final step, which is clicking the Add button. This action will save your changes and properly categorize the refund in your QuickBooks records. Congratulations! You've successfully categorized a refund in QuickBooks. Categorizing refunds correctly in QuickBooks is an effective way to ensure your financial data is accurate and up to date, which is crucial for making informed business decisions. Remember, keeping your books in order can also help when it comes to filing taxes or scrutinizing business performance. Thank you for watching this video on how to categorize refunds in QuickBooks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Until next time, keep your finances clear and under control.